Getting ready to do the last room with the flooring, and then on to 2 bathrooms for tile. I just went around the edge right now because I'm gonna move this bunk bed over, do half at once. And here's some modern day torture devices. Carpet tack strips. If you've never pulled these up and know how careful you have to be, you'll get bit. Anyway, making progress. That's all that counts. Okay, the next hurdle, I've got that piece in there, and I'm going to come across here, but now I'm going to backtrack into this cubby back here. So I'm going to figure out where my seams are going to lie, where my short pieces are going to be. So I'm going to figure all that out. It comes out pretty close back there, but I don't think this wall is square, so I think I'm going to have to cut a small piece of that through there somewhere. Don't go until I get further down. But now that I've come around this corner, just have to sit down and figure it out. And after I get this section in here filled in, then the rest is just straightforward all the way across, which will go quick. Okay, got this section in finally. I had to do the planking backwards, which is harder to do. So it took longer. But you can see here, the wall is just not parallel. I don't think there's a square or parallel wall in this whole condo, and that's because it was built by the lowest bidder contractor. So I guess you get what you pay for. Alright, now I can fly much faster on this open. I don't have any cuts except that one door jamb, which is simple. Then I'll move this big bunk bed over and then pull that up and do the rest. I gotta put some slides on the bottom of it to get back over here. It goes in this place. Get that done, then I gotta get some more shoe molding to the bottom. I don't have quite enough to finish this room. I gotta measure and see. And I'm gonna have to cut a piece in there, a thin piece, because my shoe molding is only 1/2 inch thick. So I'm gonna have to fill that in probably most of the way down. So I'm gonna ruin a couple boards. I should have kept all those long pieces I had, and I threw them away. No big deal. We've got more than enough, I think, to finish the floor. Alright, I'm going to take a little break here, get something to drink, and then I'll be back to go down these long runs. One cut over here, and one cut in the closet, and the rest are full sheets. Alright, I'll get back with you when I get half the room done. Well, got the bed moved over, got the carpet out, got it swept up, cleaned up, getting ready to lay the rest of the floor and then do the shoe molding. And all the flooring is done except for the tiles in the bathroom. But you never know what you're going to find. I took the carpet up. There's this hole. And there's a wire down in there. I think somebody, when they built this house, this condo, forgot to put in a wire. So they probably chiseled this out. You can see it's been chiseled out after the floor was down. And ran the wire, then fill it back in. So I'll put some padding in there or something. And some of that padding came off one of the carpet. And then I'll fill it in because air's coming up through there like crazy. And then I'm going to take a little break, a day or two, and start on the tile.